Yoga, an ancient practice that originated in India over 5,000 years ago, is more than just a form of exercise. It's a holistic approach to well-being that integrates the mind, body, and spirit. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, which means to join or unite. This signifies the union of individual consciousness with universal consciousness. Yoga encompasses a wide range of practices, from physical postures, asanas, and breathing exercises, pranayama, to meditation and ethical principles. The benefits of yoga are manifold. Physically, it enhances flexibility, strength, and balance. Mentally, it promotes clarity, focus, and relaxation. Spiritually, it fosters self-awareness and a deeper connection to the universe. Different styles of yoga cater to different needs, from the rigorous Ashtanga and Vinyasa to the more meditative Yin and Kundalini. Regardless of the style, the essence remains the same: to achieve a state of harmony and balance. In today's fast-paced world, yoga offers a sanctuary, a space to turn inward and find peace. So, whether you're a seasoned practitioner or a curious beginner, yoga has something to offer for everyone. Dive in, explore, and discover the transformative power of yoga.